Hey everyone, and welcome back again to the CRM Carpenter tutorial series. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Soho CRM client script to automatically make a field read only based on the user's profile. So it will be based on a user profile. So if a current login user is not a administrator, there will be some restriction in fields access. So for example, in our script that we will create today, we will lack this field program. So that would be our goal. So we will achieve that using the source CRM built-in client script feature. So just click this client script and click new script and provide a name for your script. Let's name it as role-based field control. And so we have the category, the page, the module, and the standard. This is already been set up for us. And next is the event details. So the type, let's select the page event, and the event would be on load. Just click next, and this is the area where we will write our script. And so let's start by creating an async function. Async function. Let's leave this as empty, and let's put a void here. So an async function is a JavaScript function that allows you to work with asynchronous operations, meaning tasks that take time to complete. So it will be run in a clean and readable way. So to start up, we should wrap everything, our script, into a try catch. So that would be a safe way to have this work. So after that, we will create a show message error here. But first, let's go ahead with each line. So in line 1, we will let this the profile as the crm.user profile. So we will wrap everything in a self-executing async function so it runs immediately on page load. So we grab the current log in user's profile using the crm.user profile. And next line is uh, so the user profile could be an object, so we safely extract the name and convert it into a lowercase format. And next line, just to test, we will add a verification that will check if the user's profile is a administrator or non-administrator. And so before we proceed, we can check it out by running the script that we have. So you can see here that there's a message that says that the profile is administrator. So we can say that these lines are working now. And next we will put the condition here. So let's paste the code for the if condition. So we will check if the profile is not an administrator. So if that's true, we will lock the field program. So the program is just the uh, label value of the lead source field. So the lead source is the correct API name. So what we need to have here is the correct API name that you can get in your settings under Developer Hub. So in the next lines, what I have said before is we will create catch block handled message. So let's paste the CDK client that show message that will give an error message whenever the function or the client script is not working. So let's run the code if it still works. So there's still no error and I think we're good to go. But before that, we will comment this out because this was just used for testing and verification. If we can really catch the user's profile, the current login profile, if it's not an administrator or an administrators. So let's click save. And now we will test it out using a non-administrator profile. So in here, this profile is a salesperson profile. Let's check it out here. So this one, it's a salesperson. Let's go back to that profile. So in here, if we will edit any of this record, so what we're expecting is it will disallow this user to edit that field. So you can see that he is not able to edit this program picklist field. So that's how the client script works. So for every onload, if the profile is not an administrator, it can now disallow a user if it's not a administrator. So that's it for our today's video. Thank you for watching.